everyone. This is our family story time for April. Normally we do that the first Saturday, but since last weekend was our Easter holiday, we are doing our family story time today. And this is our first in the backyard on the stage story time. We are so excited. We are welcoming you back in person. Nobody signed up to come today, so maybe people still don't know, but we are doing our Tiny Tots and our story time in person starting this week, okay? So you can sign up online so we know you're coming. We're gonna have these stools, put them around our stage. See our stage? You put the stools out, everybody can sit and be distanced. And we will be back to doing in person and seeing each other again. So fun! We are so happy and hope you will be too. Now then, I wanted to tell you, April is a exciting month. There's so many things going on. April is Poetry Month, so we will have books about poetry available for you. In fact, 3 of the authors who spoke the other night at Library Week had done poems, so that was interesting. We also have an exhibit here in the library about women inventors, and so I have some information about that. We have books about inventions and women who invent, women scientists. It is also April 22nd is Earth Day. Oh, there's our train. Anyway, let's let the train pass and then I'll talk again. Okay, I think he's getting a little quieter now, so I won't have to yell. April 22nd is Earth Day, like I was saying. And Earth Day is the day we celebrate taking care of our planet. So we talk about things like recycling, about how we can compost in our gardens, and other things we can do. Maybe picking up litter and putting it into trash, all those kind of things we can do to help take care of the planet we live on. And thinking about the women inventors made me think, if we're going to focus on one of our imagination stations this month, maybe we should focus on galaxy reality, because a lot of science and inventions went into our space program. So I thought we would talk about that. And I have 2 books for us that we're going to read. Rocket Science for Babies. Let me see if I can get this down here where we can see it. Air can't go through it. Air goes around it. Change the shape of the ball to change the air flow. Change the angle. See, it was flat. Now it's changed the angle of the ball to deflect the air down. If the air goes down, the shape goes up. The upward force is called lift. This is the shape of an airplane wing. But how do we make the wing move forward? We put it on a rocket ship. Oh, look at that. This ship is full of fuel. The fuel goes out. The ship goes forward. The faster the fuel goes, the faster the ship goes. So we make it explode. The forward force is called thrust. With lift and thrust, we can go to the moon. Wow! Now you are a rocket scientist. And see, that's very simple. It's us learning about science. I'm not going to read it, but I also brought this one about the solar system. So we have lots of science and galaxy reality things for all ages. I am going to read. These are two women scientists, Madame Curie, and this is Margaret Hamilton and how she helped with the moon landing. So I'm not going to read this one. It's a little longer. But just if you're interested in space and stars, this one might be a good one for you to come get. We are going to read about Madame Curie, who was a scientist, okay? And this book is from the series Little People, Big Dreams. And it is written by Emma Isabel Sanchez Vergara and illustrated by Fra Isa. Okay. Yep. Trying to get it where you can see. Okay. When Marie was a little girl, she made a vow to herself. She was going to be a scientist, not a princess. Marie was from a poor family, but she was very smart. At school, she won a gold medal for her studies, which she kept in her drawer like a treasure. Look at a big gold medal. And it doesn't always take being super smart. Sometimes it just takes doing our homework and trying. Okay. Marie couldn't go to the same university as her brothers. In her home country, only men were allowed to study. But she wouldn't take no for an answer. So she packed her bags and moved away to France, where she could go to school. Oh, look, and here she is going to school. Even though studying in a new language, because when you go to a different country, it maybe has a different language. Even though studying in a new language was not easy, Marie soon became the best math and science student in Paris. One day, Marie met Pierre, and happily, he loved science just like her. Soon, Pierre and Marie loved each other too. Oh, isn't that sweet? They married and became Madame and Monsieur Curie. Look, there they are together doing science. Hidden away in their laboratory, Marie and Pierre discovered two incredible things: radium and polonium. Those are chemical elements, and when you get older, you learn about all the table of chemical elements. It was such a thrilling moment for science. They won a Nobel Prize for their research. Marie became the first woman to receive this honor. Look, there she is with her prize. One day, Pierre was in a terrible accident, and poor Marie was left alone. Oh no, how sad. Marie wiped her tears away and worked harder than ever. The audience applauded loudly the day she was awarded her second Nobel Prize. A terrible war broke out. Marie's discoveries were used by doctors to help injured soldiers because radium helped us make x-rays. So that's an interesting thing. And they could tell where the bones were broken or messed up. After the war was over, many girls followed in Marie's footsteps, studying in her Parisian institute. Not only a scientist, but she became a teacher of others. Cool. She had valuable advice for every new student in life. There is nothing to be afraid of, only many things to learn, and many ways to help those in need. And then here's all about her life story with some pictures. So if you want to come read about Marie Curie and learn about her, that's a wonderful thing that we have. Again, this month we are talking about Galaxy Reality Imagination Station. So, since nobody actually came today to our first in-person story time in a long, long time, I want to encourage you, if you sign up for the Tuesday Tiny Talk Tales or Wednesday story time and come this week, when it's over, I'll give you some ice cream. We have some ice cream left from last week too, so you can have some ice cream. And if you watch this video, any child who watches this video and comes to the library today, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, the first 7, because I only have 7, the first 7 will get one of these telescope prizes. You can take this and make your own telescope to look at the stars. And that goes along with our Galaxy Reality theme too, right? Okay, so remember, April is a very exciting month. We have a Women's Inventors Exhibit. It is Poetry Month, so you can come and learn about poems, because poems can be fun, and there's all different kinds of poems. And come visit our Galaxy Reality Imagination Station and get some books. And come back to live programs at the library. We're going to do those outside here on the stage. And like I said, you'll have your own cushion. We can separate everybody and still be safe, but we can be together again. All right. Hope to see you soon. Bye.